Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious steak gravy. First, let's talk about those amazing pan drippings. After cooking your steak, you'll find a treasure trove of flavor left in the pan. These brown bits and rendered fat are absolutely crucial for building a rich, savory gravy. Make sure you have at least 2 tablespoons of fat in the pan. If not, simply add a little butter to reach that amount. This is where all the magic begins. Now, let's deglaze the pan to unlock all those incredible flavors. Pour in about 1 cup of liquid, such as beef broth, red wine, or even water. Use a wooden spoon or spatula to gently scrape up all the delicious brown bits stuck to the bottom of the pan. These bits, called fond, are packed with intense flavor and will dissolve into your liquid, creating a robust foundation for your gravy. Next, we'll thicken our gravy to that perfect, luscious consistency. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a smooth slurry. Gradually pour this slurry into your simmering pan liquid, whisking continuously. Keep simmering and stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes until the gravy visibly thickens to your liking. Finally, let's finish our delicious steak gravy. Taste it and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right. If you prefer a silky smooth texture, you can strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve to remove any small lumps or bits. Serve this warm, rich gravy generously over your perfectly cooked steak, mashed potatoes, or any other side dish you desire. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.